Imagine coming home after a long day, hungry, tired, and realizing you still have to juggle multiple pots just to make a simple meal, while everything in the kitchen feels like it's competing for your attention. That's exactly where most people start looking for a shortcut that doesn't feel like a compromise. If you've been there, this is where the Comfee 12-in-1 electropressure cooker starts to make a lot of sense, especially for busy home cooks, students, or families trying to simplify everyday meals without sacrificing taste. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the design feels practical rather than flashy, and that's actually a good thing here. The build is compact for a 6-quart cooker, with a solid black exterior that blends into most kitchens without demanding attention. The inner non-stick pot feels smooth and easy to handle. It gives you the sense that cleanup won't turn into a second cooking session. The lid mechanism is firm and reassuring, not flimsy, and everything about the interface is designed so you don't need to constantly consult a manual just to boil rice or start a stew. It's built for people who want straightforward cooking without unnecessary complexity. Where this cooker really starts to matter is in everyday performance. The first thing you notice is how quickly it reduces cooking time compared to traditional stovetop methods. Meals that normally require constant supervision can now run in the background while you do something else, whether that's work, studying, or just relaxing. The pressure cooking function locks in heat efficiently, which means rice comes out fluffy, lentils cook evenly, and meat turns tender without needing constant checking. It's not completely silent, but the noise level is low enough that it doesn't dominate your kitchen environment. For most people, the biggest win is simply how hands-off it becomes once you press start. Another area where it quietly earns its place is convenience. The presets cover most everyday meals, so instead of guessing timing and temperature, you're basically choosing a mode and letting it handle the rest. The delay timer is especially useful for anyone who wants to come home to a ready meal or wake up with breakfast already done. Cleaning is also relatively simple thanks to the non-stick inner pot, which avoids that frustrating scrubbing you get with older cookware. Even the included accessories feel like small but useful additions rather than filler extras, making the whole setup more complete out of the box. Now, it's not perfect, and that matters if you're deciding whether to invest in it. While it handles most basic and mid-level cooking very well, it doesn't fully replace more specialized kitchen appliances if you're someone who cooks very complex or gourmet dishes regularly. The interface, while simple, can feel a bit repetitive once you've used it for a while, and the cooking speed, while faster than stovetop, isn't instant in the way some marketing might suggest. But in the context of everyday home cooking, these are reasonable trade-offs for the convenience it delivers. Compared to something like an Instant Pot Duo or other popular multi-cookers in the same range, the Comfee's 12-in-1 positions itself more as a budget-friendly alternative that focuses on doing the basics, well, rather than offering advanced smart features or app connectivity. Where higher-end models may give you more precision control, this one leans into simplicity and accessibility, which actually makes it more approachable for beginners or anyone who doesn't want a learning curve attached to their cookware. It's less about experimentation and more about reliability in daily meals. At the end of the day, this is the kind of appliance that quietly changes your cooking routine rather than transforming you into a chef overnight. If your goal is to save time, reduce kitchen effort, and still get consistent home-cooked meals, it makes a strong case for itself. If you've been thinking about simplifying your kitchen without overcomplicating your budget, this is worth a closer look. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more honest breakdowns, and check the link in the description when you're ready.